someone's gaff.
What's up guys, and welcome to this week's video. In this video I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like about riding the KLR650. I put about 500 kilometers on it since I bought it, so yeah, let's just jump into it. So first of all, let me tell you what I like about this bike, because there's just so many more things that I like about this bike than what I don't like about the bike. Number one, the low end torque in this bike is insane. This thing just wants to wheelie off the mark every single time, and guys, I can't even wheelie. I know, it's awful, but I am gonna learn, I promise. But yeah, this bike is so much fun, and yeah, just off the mark every single time the front wheel just wants to come up. So we're gonna have to learn. Number two has got to be the looks of the bike, guys. I mean, look at it. The Gen 1 has to be the best looking KLR650 out there. The Gen 2, we all know what that looks like. And the Gen 3, yeah, I don't know. They just didn't kind of hit the mark for me. So yeah, this thing was completely blacked out by the original owner. And yeah, I just think it looks like something from Mad Max. It's insane. I think it's super cool. I love it. I love the looks. Probably not going to change a whole lot looks wise, but who knows? My mind changes so quick. Number three has to be how accessible parts are for this bike. I mean, you can pretty much get everything off of Amazon. I've ordered an absolute ton of parts for this bike, guys, and yeah, that video is going to be coming up soon, so keep an eye out for it. We're going to do some nice little modifications to take it on the road. Get it ready for an adventure. So keep an eye out for that video. Number four has to be the fuel capacity for this bike, guys. Honestly, I filled it up at the gas station and they ran out of gas. I'm joking, obviously, but I mean, this thing can hold, I think, what, 6.1 liters or 6.1 gallons. And it says that it can do up to about 300 miles, so what, 480 kilometers per tank? That's insane. I mean, what more do you want? Really. And number five, guys, just is how much fun this bike is to actually ride, whether it's in the city, on the main road, or on trails, highways, whatever. This thing is just super flickable, just wants to go every single time, and yeah, it's just throw it into any corner, throw it into anything, it'll go over anything, it'll do anything. It really is just an absolute tank. And yeah, I honestly don't know why I didn't get one sooner. I've always wanted one, and I should have got one sooner. So, which brings me to what I don't like about this bike, which is pretty much sweet fuck all. I mean, it's true what they say about the bike, that the heat from it is like having the sun between your legs. But honestly, I don't care. It'll keep me warm in winter. I absolutely love this bike, and really, there's nothing bad I can say about it at the moment. So fingers crossed it stays that way. My advice, guys, is buy a KLR 650. You won't regret it. Seriously, they're awesome. You won't regret it. In the next video, guys, we're going to start bolting some parts onto this bike. As I said, I've got a ton of parts coming to get this bike ready for a long adventure that I've got coming up, and yeah, I just haven't told you guys about yet, but it's going to be awesome. So we got to start getting this bike prepped so that it can hold luggage, so that possibly have an extra fuel tank, and yeah, just do all the maintenance bits so it's absolutely solid and I'll have no issues, fingers crossed anyway. So that's coming up. Keep an eye out for that next video, guys, and we can start doing some modifications. I really do appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel so far. Let's seriously keep this building, and yeah, let's see where we can go with it. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, because it really helps me out and helps out the channel. But guys, as always, until next time, sláinte.